Good morning from New York. That was weird to say. But yes, it's day 3 of New York, and I'm in the same spot that gave my weird eyebrows with my glasses. And my mom got me a cute little egg sandwich. It's still hot, by the way. I don't even know, because our call time is 8:30, and we're down in the lobby right now. So we don't even have time to stop because it's 8:13 right now. Let's turn this around. See what's in here. Woo! A lot of cheese. Oh, it's hot. I can't even. Oh goodness. Oh, it's just like a literal egg sandwich. So it's just egg, and then there's some cheese that you could probably see. Cheese. It's really hot, so I'm just gonna let that cool. So we're basically here early AM is because we're gonna be going to Ground Zero and also seeing the Statue of Liberty this morning. And then at noon we're having rehearsal for 4 hours again. And then after that, I'm not sure what we're doing.
Oh yeah, he lost us.
Yeah.
Oh, that explains a lot. He came into our room.
We in the subway now.
Oh, this is so narrow.
Okay, wait, I have to get my ticket.
It looks pretty good to me.
Alright.
We got our metro card.
Okay. Alright.
Come on, Derek.
Please, once again.
Faster, Derek.
Please, there you go. There you go.
It's not. There we go. All right. Oh shoot! I used my hands. There you go.
Oh yeah. It's a shock.
Wow. This is terrifying. That's scary. That is scary. What if something? It looks slow at first, and then when it gets to us, it's really fast. It's Eve. Guys, go! Quick!
Walk, Fisher. We just
Alright, we made it in.
We were able to sleep until 12, basically.
Alright.
Go, let's go. Go. It's not gonna close. The door has to be open.
Busting it down.
What? Yeah, I'm in a bad mood right now. Is it not gonna open?
So don't even say anything.
There we go. Right. Oh, that was interesting. The prettiest building that I've ever seen is full of colors. Hold on, let me get it better. But look, it's so beautiful. Full of rainbows. It's amazing. That's cool. We are here at the Twin Tower Memorial, and it's actually pretty big than I remember. But here's the towers.
I just realized this is only one building. It's pretty.
Yeah, this is one of the towers.
Oh, this is where the tower was at?
Yeah, this is one of the towers. And I don't remember the other tower is.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's outside, and then the people's names that died in the tower are on this. We're here in, was it Battery Park?
Battery Park.
Battery Park, and we're gonna see the Statue of Liberty. So it's over there somewhere. There's the little sign for it.
Downtown the other way. Yeah.
Chilu. So now we're kind of a little closer to it, but it's still far away. It's like all the way over there. It's pretty. I'll try to take Instagram photos, but oh jeez, it's really windy. And we're by ocean. That bridge is moving and it's a little making me nervous, but it's fine. We have to go back. We have to be back at 11. We have 8 minutes. What are Max and John Green doing over there? They're doing jumping jacks. Wow. Alright, we're on the subway now.
Because we're leaving you.
That was a little crazy because some of our tickets weren't working, so we had to wait. So. Estacia on a Subway. What?
That's my Olivia. Okay, Olivia got it. All right. That's my one.
Ready? Excuse us. Let's.
One day.
Okay, so now I had lunch at Hard Rock Cafe and going to rehearsal in 3 minutes, and you could hear everyone in the choir. So I'm gonna go see. Hi, Dr. Hassler. It's basically after hours of rehearsal, and we had dinner at the restaurant, the hotel, and now everyone is supposed to be in their rooms, but me and my mother are getting cheesecake across the street. So that's what's happening right now. And I'm not wearing my coat, so I don't know how cold it is. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not bad out here. We're going to this place where we had, I had breakfast yesterday, so yeah. Look at all those cheesecakes. And they have dessert here. Alright, so we're back in the hotel. Yep. And oh, almost fell over. The stuff that we got 4 slices of cake and cheesecake. We got the cherry cheesecake, the carrot cake, the brownie cake, and the Oreo cheesecake. So those are gonna be our desserts today, and sugar us up before we crash in our beds. And I don't know what's gonna go on after this because we don't really have anything going on. So I guess the vlog's gonna end here. And thanks you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the future.